This is Ian from In 30 Minutes Guides. Today I'm going to show you how to draft an email in Google Docs and then immediately port it over to Gmail. If this video helps, please take a moment to like it. Follow me. Let's get started. This is Google Docs. This is the browser-based version. You can use any web browser. Just log in. When you come to the screen, the main screen for Google Docs, click on blank. And you'll notice at the very top of the screen, there is a button that says Email Draft. This is a new feature. Click on it. And then what you start doing is you start typing in the name of the email address. Now, it will pull it in from the active Gmail account you have. So right now I have this is my Gmail account that I have open right now. So let's see if it pulls in. It didn't pull in the name of the person I want to mail to. But basically, if that doesn't happen, just start typing the email address. You can add CC and BCC. And then maybe I'll say something like review draft language of doc. And then I'm just going to paste something in there. And one of the reasons for using this particular feature is, for one thing, you can zoom in, so you just make it a little bit easier to see what you're typing, because Gmail sometimes looks pretty tiny in the browser screen. And then also you can do things like add formatting. So if I wanted to format this particular phrase, I could just highlight it and then click the bold tab. And then you can also add images. So for instance, let's say that I want to add the logo for my company. I'm just going to copy that actually from an open page over here. Here's the logo. Right click over it, copy image, and then I'm just going to paste it right into the document using Command V if you're on a Mac or Control V if you're on a Windows PC. And there it is right there. And then you can do other things. You can add more text, you can add more images. But once you're ready for that, to send it in Gmail, you don't need to copy and paste it over. Just click the little button here that says Preview in Gmail, and it should open up a compose window in Gmail right away. So here it is. So you can see it basically created a draft version of this, including the text down here, including the formatting I did. And once I'm ready to send it, just click send. If this video helped you out, please take a moment to like it and follow me. If you go to in30minutes.com, that's our official website, you can learn more about Google Drive and Docs in 30 minutes and other books that we publish. Thank you so much for watching.